we're stressed, we get stuck. Can't go forward, can't go back, can't go sideways. We're stuck, immobilized by the stress. We're facing an issue, but we can't seem to progress it. The stress is holding us down. Instead, first of all, get the facts about the situation. Unemotionally, objectively, what are the facts of this current situation? Get those down. Then, not all facts have equal value. Weigh the facts, importance against each other, and concentrate on what are the most important facts about this situation. Being informed by those most important facts, think about, okay, based on this, I need to make a decision and then decide what that decision should be and do it. Immobilization ends when the decision is taken and we go into action. That is the way forward.